the National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to northerly islands, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:30 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Wilmette Harbor, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The Lake Michigan